Types of insurance for the individual: life insurance, health insurance, disability insurance, homeowners insurance, automobile insurance, other liability insurance. Life insurance provides for your family or some other named beneficiaries on your death. Two general types are available. Term insurance provides coverage only during the term of the policy and pays off only on the insured's death. Whole life insurance provides savings as well as insurance and can let the insured collect before death. Health insurance covers the cost of hospitalization, visits to the doctor's office, and prescription medicines. The most useful policies provided by many employers are those that cover 100% of the costs of being hospitalized and 80% of the charges for medicine and a doctor's services. Usually, the policy will contain a deductible amount. The insurer will not make payments until after the deductible amount has been reached. 20 years ago, the deductible might have been the first $100 or $250 of charges. Today, it is often much higher. A disability policy pays a certain percentage of an employee's wages, or a fixed sum, weekly or monthly, if the employee becomes unable to work through illness or an accident. Premiums are lower for policies with longer waiting periods before payments must be made. A policy that begins to pay a disabled worker within 30 days might cost twice as much as one that defers payment for 6 months. A homeowner's policy provides insurance for damages or losses due to fire, theft, and other named perils. No policy routinely covers all perils. The homeowner must assess his needs by looking to the likely risks in his area: earthquake, hailstorm, flooding, and so on. Homeowners' policies provide for reduced coverage if the property is not insured for at least 80% of its replacement costs. In inflationary times, this requirement means that the owner must adjust the policy limits upward each year or purchase a rider that automatically adjusts for inflation. Where property values have dropped substantially, the owner of a home or a commercial building might find savings in lowering the policy's insured amount. Automobile insurance is perhaps the most commonly held type of insurance. Automobile policies are required in at least minimum amounts in all states. The typical automobile policy covers liability for bodily injury and property damage, medical payments, damage to or loss of the car itself, and attorney's fees in case of a lawsuit. In this litigious society, a person can be sued for just about anything: a slip on the walk, a harsh and untrue word spoken in anger, an accident on the ball field. A personal liability policy covers many types of these risks and can give coverage in excess of that provided by homeowners and automobile insurance. Such umbrella coverage is usually fairly inexpensive, perhaps $250 a year for $1 million in liability.